Today we're going to swap out the interior lights of the 4Runner with LEDs. For the door, I guess, courtesy lights, we are going to take off these two Phillips head screws. I already have an LED in here, but I just wanted to show you. There's these two little pry tabs on the left and the right, and so you just splay those apart and the light should fall out. Make sure you catch it with something other than your hand because it's probably hot, especially if it's an incandescent bulb still in there. So I have a rag here, I just pop it out like that. You just lodge one side in there and then push the other side so it clips in, and then you just put on your cover. So that was for the passenger side courtesy light. The same goes for the driver's side as well. So the next set of lights are the forward dome lights. There's a tab right back here above the mirror. So if you can get your tool lodged right back up in there, and then you just push, the thing just pops off. And you should just be able to pop it off like this. There you go. Same thing as the door, you just take one end here and then push up on the tab and it should just click in. Pop them in. And there you go. And it just snaps on the back here. You just push up and you can hear that click. This little clip that goes around the rearview mirror, that just slides back up and clicks in there. Don't forget to adjust your rearview mirror before driving. Now to move on to the center dome light. To get this cover off, pull on the side where the switch is and sort of on the side, and it should just pull off. Oh, back in. Oh. So just to show you how to get this guy out, there's a little tab on the right here. You just pry it open. You just pry it open and your LED should fall out. To put it back in, I'm gonna make sure this is on, test it. So this one is directional. So we're gonna rotate it around. Sure enough, it comes on. Insert on this side first, and then push up onto the clip, and it should lodge itself in place. And then just aim it and adjust it accordingly. And then throw your plastic cap back on this side near the switch. It should just snap on into place there. And then now it turns on and it's nice and bright. So the last one we're going to do is the back dome light. And this comes on when the tailgate opens. So on the right here, there's like a little tab. You just pry down, pops open. And you take your cover off. In there, again, I already have an LED, but just to show you, it's sort of the same as the center dome light. You just pull on this right-hand side and it should pop out. There he goes. We'll make sure you switch the back to on. So you can see this one is also directional. Rotate it around, light comes on. So put in this side first and then just push up and it should lodge into place, and then aim it down, take your cover and then just slide the cover back on. And just push the cover back on. It should go on. Leave it on door. Tailgate's open so the light comes on. Just to recap, we've got the back dome light, the center dome light, and the two front dome lights. And we got the two courtesy lights here on the door. It is now nighttime, and just to give you an idea of what it looks like with the new LEDs, it's a lot brighter than the old ones. There's the rear dome.